Hello, I'm at Hunting Island State Park in South Carolina, and I'm going to demonstrate how to install Velcro on your trailer for pop-up gizmos. So the first thing you need to do is measure the inside lip of your bunk door to make sure you get the right size Velcro. In my case, I have about 5/8 of an inch. So I'm going to go ahead and order 1-inch Velcro and trim it down. I recommend using 3M high temperature hook fastener tape. You can order this on Amazon. It is not included when you order your pop-up gizmos. So you'll need to cut 8 11-inch strips, and then I'm going to trim mine down, my 1-inch strip down to 3/4 so it fits correctly. Now I've already installed all but the last strips on the bunk. To prepare the surface so that your Velcro adheres properly, you'll need isopropyl alcohol, a scratch pad, and a paper towel. I'm going to go ahead and crawl up on the bunk and install my last piece of Velcro. So we've already installed all the Velcro from this corner all the way over, and we're just going to install this last piece right here. Take your scratch pad, make sure you get any debris that are off of there, and just kind of roughen up the surface just a little bit. After you've done that, you want to take just a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, put it on a paper towel, and just clean off any that dust you may have created when you scuffed it up. And then just wipe it down and make sure it's fully dry. Give that a few minutes to dry off. Now that it's had a few minutes to dry, we're just going to put the Velcro in place. Pull off the backing. Don't litter. And just start where the last piece ended and work that way around. Make sure it doesn't come out too far so it blocks your bunk from closing. Stick that on there. Now we've got our Velcro installed. Now normally you should allow this Velcro to cure for 24 to 72 hours, depending on the outside temperature, to get full adhesion before you attach your pugs. But for today, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up right now. So you can just start, set it on with the Velcro. Work your way down. Now we're ready to open up the bunk. With the pug attached with Velcro, we're ready to set up the bunk. Now we just need to attach our bungee.